I have a confession to make. I'm addicted to blowers, but I defy anyone who uses a good one won't get hooked as well. In fact, once you've finished blowing leaves and debris away from your gardens and surrounds, you'll end up realising how good they are for a multitude of other purposes, such as the garage, the vehicles, the roadside gutters, and even whoosh, complaining kids away. I must admit, however, Cranky Mark, my old neighbour, used to storm over and yell at me, "Haven't you got a sweep?" Well, Mark, if you're still out there, I've got something to tell you. Firstly, I did have a sweep actually, but I know that you know and everyone else knows how long those things take, how inefficient they are, how hard it is to get into every nook and cranny with them, and how tiring they are. They're also not fun. Thank goodness for mod cons. These days we can bring on the electrics, bring on the batteries, bring on the modern power without all the fuss and mess. To be fair to Mark, my old petrol blower was rather noisy, and because I used it a lot, it was noise pollution. And beyond that, I wasn't really too fussed myself on using the messy jerry can to refill. Well, we now have the STIHL Battery BGA 50 blower to the rescue. Gone are the days where battery power doesn't pass muster. This thing blows hard and blows hard consistently for a long time. The clever German designers of STIHL have clearly engineered the BGA 50 to sit perfectly balanced in hand and be lightweight. You feel so agile as the job gets done. The features keep coming. The 36-volt AK battery system means it's compatible with your trimmer and mower, saving you space in storage and meaning you can always have a spare ready to go for the big jobs. And how's this for a storage solution? A two-stage battery position also gives you one click to secure it in place for safe transport without being live, and another click to power it on. A variable speed control with trigger-sensitive power adjustment. It amazingly helps you find that fine line between blowing leaves off paths without moving the stones or bark, for example. Mark, let's be friends. The BGA 50 blower has arrived.